Today I'm going to talk you through the fire suppression and the fire detection services here at Cyberfort. So here we have Cyberfort's fire suppression system, FireTrace. It's specifically located into the back of the rack, and it essentially localizes any fire if there was to be a fire caused inside this cabinet. So this is a plastic tubing that basically is designed to rupture when it's hit a certain temperature, and that temperature is 48 degrees Celsius. Inside this tubing is charged with Novtec gas, and basically that element removes the heat from the heat triangle. So it would dispel the gas once ruptured and localize the fire, extinguishing the fire if there was ever to be a fire inside this cabinet. So these tubes themselves are actually connected to a hot swappable bottle. To give you a sense of scale, one bottle will cover 8 cabinets worth of Novtec gas. If this specific cabinet was to go off, what we would have to do is to recharge the entire 8 rack footprint. This is the fire suppression system. So now on this data hall, we've got the fire detection system. So let me walk you through that. So this fire detection service, which stands for Very Early Smoke Detection Apparatus, basically has an internal vacuum inside this box. And essentially it's drawing the air in and analysing the air particles. So above me here, and you can see the pipes above, they're specifically designed or specifically located above the air conditioning units. So they've got built-in holes into those pipes, and this vacuum draws the air in through those holes, and it's got a dual stage filter. So the first stage essentially removes any dust particles and any dirt from the air itself, which then passes clean air through to the second stage. That second stage is basically got a laser that analyses the air particles and tries to detect any sort of smoke particles from it. If there is any change in those particles, or if there's any change in temperature, this system will actually detect it as an early detection system. So we know that there's a problem, and we know we now need to then rectify that issue. So this particular system we use is actually across all of our Faraday cages where all of our customers' data resides. So just a short video today, guys, but I just wanted to walk you through and tell you a little bit about the fire suppression and the fire detection services that forms part of our standard offering as our data center services.